I will. Yeah, bring it in a little while. I will. In a little while. You can hang in.
Suki, Mr. Ryan.
Headache right now. The headache. I'll bring you in a little bit. Yeah, I'll bring you out in a little bit.
He's always meetings.
No, it's crazy.
Huh?
It's crazy. No, I'll take him on a little bit.
His own ones.
No, I'll bring him out. I'll bring him out in a little bit.